If there was a big shopping mall around the corner, maybe none of us would have had business, but there isn't. So they've got to look what there is, and it's us.
Cornwall's known for things made by hand, doers and makers down here. So I think that's the important thing.
Yeah, there is a huge need for handmade things. Why? Because, well, I think a handmade jug, there's the memory of the making process in that jug.
It always was a minority who are interested in crafts, but that minority is solid.
I think it's the old skills that will research.